welcome to BSF Recovery Team. We're heading out again, and this time Abby's driving, so we'll see how that works out.
What's the best way to get there?
Well, I'm gonna figure that out in a minute, but yeah, we're going to Misery, so let me look on the map here. I can't remember where Misery is. So it's way in the back of White. So we're gonna take tow truck accesses to get there. We'll get back with you. So this is Abby's first recovery.
Oh yeah. Well, actually no, I've done flat toes.
Oh yeah,
Like
that's right.
This is my first recovery with the wrecker.
Yep.
Which I know what I'm buying after this recovery.
What is that?
A booster seat for the wrecker.
Okay.
But then my only issue is my legs aren't long enough to reach the pedals. So.
All right. Well, hang on here. Hang on now. He'll pull over. That's good.
Thank you.
Gotta watch that.
Sorry.
That's right. And we're gonna go in the woods right here. Stay on the trail.
I'm trying.
And there's a cable down at the bottom of the tree, or the bottom of the hill, between the telephone pole. Well, to keep people on the trail. Hang on now. No, we're going to Misery for another one.
Sorry.
Yeah, that's all right.
That's a different tow truck coming to this person. Sorry.
I think so.
Well, I was told this.
Yeah, and I was told it was Toyota. A Toyota.
A Toyota.
Land something or other. Or 4Runner. Yeah, this is not the one. We're going to get a Toyota 4Runner, I believe. This the one we're after? Okay, that's the one we're after. So, center it up. Now let me check and make sure that, oh, yep. So, turn the pump on.
Right there?
Yeah, it's the first switch. Okay, I'll go make sure you're centered and that it's low enough.
Hi, puppy. How are you? How are you doing? I got to tell you. Bye.
Okay, come on back. Oh, you got to come over this way a little bit more. So pull ahead, straighten out, pull ahead. Okay, that's good. Come on back. That's good. Whoa. Okay, yep, go ahead. Turn the pump off. Up, there we go. Now, you have to really pay attention to where you're driving now,
Okay.
because you have one on the back. And you don't want to hit any trees with it.
We gotta look at that side a lot then.
Yep. So we're going straight.
Yep.
Give it some gas. And carry it wide just a little bit. Okay, turn. There you go. Now, this one, you have to turn a little, you have to exaggerate your turn a little bit, but you have to be over a little bit more than the Bronco is to my side
Okay.
because of that tree,
Yeah.
and you got to get around, but you can't hit this tree.
Okay.
So now turn. Once the back end of the truck is passed, you can usually turn. Okay, she wants me to spot her through this. So, come on. Turn that way, you're on the wrong side of a log, so turn that way. And back up about a foot. A little more. Okay. Now turn all the way my way hard. There we go. You're doing good. Doing good. Okay, stop. Looks like I got a flat tire.
What?
Yeah.
Hey, good thing we have a spare. Right?
Well, it might just be a slow bead leak. You got to go through the mud.
Okay.
So keep it to my side a little bit, and you might have to give it a little throttle to go through the mud. So and we're going up the hill that way. Go straight over the hill, but there's probably a cable in the way.
Yeah.
So get as close to the cable as you can. Okay. Okay, so now we're on the white trail coming in, but the trails are closed, so hopefully there's no traffic. And we'll just be on this for a little while. So, yep, this way. You know where we are now, so
Yeah.
we're gonna go through the cable over there. Right here. Yeah, you're okay. There you go. Turn. And straight through the mud. It'll be fine. It's a solid bottom. Now you got to give it a little. There you go.
This gets to be its own video, right? Like, you're not going to put this with a couple other recoveries. This will be its own thing.
I'm not sure. It might be.
I think it should.
Depends on how long it is. Because, you know, they like 20 minutes, 30 minutes long video.
I can do another recovery. That's okay.
Go straight through. Now, real easy when you drop off of this because the front end of his will touch the ground. See that?
Yeah.
And if he comes loose, then that's not good. A little wide. There you go. Perfect.
Cool. Alright.
And just like that, we're out of the woods.
Yay.
Now we got to get him back to camp.
Yay.
Yeah. So, there was Abby's first recovery. What do you think? I think Abby did really good. What do you think, Abby?
I think I did pretty decent.
Yep, you did.
Sorry guys, I'm not the one that put the rocks there.
Well, they're there for a reason. That's so nobody sneaks into the campground the back way. Follow them. They'll show us where to set it down. That's good. Now, nope, the other way. There you go. Okay, straighten out. You're gonna pinch him. No, straighten out. It's the opposite. So turn hard, all the way. There you go. So you're gonna pinch it, so pull forward a little bit. Right towards the razor.
Right there?
You can go a little more. Okay, now crank it hard to the left. To the left. There you go. All right, now you can straighten out. Straighten out to the right. Yep, there you go. Now to the left. Hold it there. That's good. Okay, put it in park. Turn the pump on. Very good. So, you got the transfer case back in? Okay. You did a good job. Yeah. All right. So pull ahead for me, would you? Yeah. So you can go around this way. Yeah. So that was Abby's very first recovery with the wrecker, and I think she did awful good. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, BSF Recovery Team. Keep wheeling, be safe out there, and maybe we'll see you in the woods.